Hi, I'm Shilpi and I'm here at the Gateway Taproom tasting the lovely beer. And welcome to Cheers Chatty and Salt for Cooking. Well, let's start with first the beer. Right. It's one of my all-time favorites. The very original German wit beer that goes by the name Hefeweizen. Very interesting trivia. As folklore goes, the name Hefeweizen, because it's got this whole white overcoat on top of it. It's a refreshing, citrusy, very nicely flavored, mild beer. You can have an undertone of clove and banana that you can feel on your palate. It's just beautiful and light. Absolutely okay to have in a midweek, even if you have to go back to a work meeting. So that's Hefeweizen for you. It has been gracious. For salt for cooking, I have this beautifully laid out succulent pieces of chicken tenders of rocket leaves, crunchy and fresh, along with satay format chicken succulent tender pieces. So let's pick one up. It's really tender. There's a mild flavor of sugar in it, so it's not spicy. Let's try some rocket leaves as well. Good to go green at times, reduce carbon footprint. Let's try it with the hef. Works beautifully. I think the crunch of the leaves and the bit of sugary flavor of the chicken tender balances out the citrusy fruity flavor of the Hefeweizen too well. It's a great pairing to have. What a feeling of being in the Zen mode with the Hefeweizen in one hand and a succulent chicken tender in the other. You know, why do we feel that only birds can fly? So can I.